Driving a Lamborghini at 200 miles per hour is not just a thrill. It's a full-body experience that hits every sense at once. And today, we're taking you inside that insane moment where raw engineering meets pure adrenaline. From the moment you sit inside the Lamborghini Huracán, the world around you feels different. The low, aggressive seating position, the fighter jet-style switches, the sharp scent of leather, and the rumble of the V10 engine already tell you that this is not an ordinary car. This is a machine designed to push the limits of physics. As you press the start button, the engine explodes to life with a roar that vibrates through your chest like a thunderstrike, and the entire cabin becomes a cockpit ready for liftoff. The first few seconds of acceleration slap you back into your seat as the car rockets forward with brutal force, and before you even realize it, you're hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The road becomes a blur, the engine screams higher and higher, and the wind noise outside intensifies like a storm trying to break through. Your heartbeat sinks with the RPMs climbing past 8,000, and suddenly you're aware of every tiny vibration, every movement of the steering wheel, and every microsecond decision happening at lightning speed. At 150 miles per hour, your vision narrows, your focus sharpens, and your body feels glued to the seat as the world rushes past like a high-speed tunnel. And then comes the big moment, 200 miles per hour. The car feels weightless, yet completely locked to the asphalt, the aerodynamics working like invisible hands pressing you down while the engine unleashes every ounce of its fury. The road lines stretch into streaks of white, the horizon becomes a single point, and every sound blends into a symphony of mechanical perfection. But the craziest part isn't just the speed, it's the control. The Lamborghini stays planted, stable, almost calm, even as the landscape dissolves around you. It's a reminder of how far technology and engineering have come, taking something that once seemed impossible and turning it into a jaw-dropping reality. As you slow down, the adrenaline doesn't fade. It hits harder. Your hands shake, your breathing changes, and your mind replays every millisecond of the ride like a memory you want to relive again and again. It's more than a drive. It's a moment where power, danger, and beauty collide into one unforgettable rush. So today, as we take you through this unbelievable 200 miles per hour Lamborghini experience, get ready to feel the speed, hear the power, and understand why driving a supercar at its limit is one of the most unreal feelings on Earth.